In this lesson, we are going to review what we learned in this topic.
你学什么？
What do you learn?
我学汉语。
I learn Chinese.
我和你都喜欢看书。
You and I both like reading books. Are you ready?
Hey， 大卫，你学什么？
我学汉语。
酷。
我和你都学汉语。
你学什么？
What do you learn?
我学汉语。
I learn Chinese.
我和你都喜欢看书。
You and I both like reading books. Let's do some practice. How to say, what do you learn in Chinese?
你学什么？
What do you learn? According to the picture, how to answer this question.
我学西班牙语。
I learn Spanish. How do you ask people what David learns?
大卫学什么？
What does David learn? According to the picture, how to answer this question.
他学汉语。
He learns Chinese. How do you ask people what Wang Wei learns?
王伟学什么？
What does Wang Wei learn? And the answer is?
他学法语。
He learns French. In this lesson, we reviewed what we learned in this topic.
再见。
Goodbye. See you next time.